Well, we're back. Better, big and better than ever. And today, we got a really cool truck here. 1966 Ford F100 Stepside short bed. The best we can gather is, too, the original color of this truck was red. As you can see up here, and you can see underneath the floorboards. It's a custom cab. I'm pretty sure the bed's original. I see remnants of red in a couple places. I don't think it's been changed. That tailgate might have been changed. But when you look at the walls of this thing, the sides of the bed, very straight. This thing actually had a camper shell in it for many years. So really it kept things from being tossed in here and getting damaged and dented. That could possibly be the original wood. The tailgate's very clean, top and bottom. It's got a little bit of rot right there, which is kind of weird. But a really fine example of a survivor truck from 1966. See, it looks like it's missing something there, the corner piece. Some people like the spare tire there, some people could care less. But some really important areas, like a lot of people say, check the cab corners, right? Well, I got pictures in the eBay auction, but look at these cab corners. I'm pretty sure that's original. I don't think there's any Bondo in there. Oh, a couple dents. But if you look at the rockers, they're very solid. Bottom of the door is very solid. Now this got some rust, yeah, in the corners right there. But it is a 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree. There's some of the original red paint. You look under here, very nice. And you look at the rocker part, very nice. So look, this is your typical Arizona truck, folks. It's been here many years. The rust is minimal, the rot is minimal, and it's a truck you would gladly want to restore and fix up for your own. Obviously the front seats have been changed, but actually they fit pretty nicely. They sit at a good height, and they're not bad. No idea how many miles are on it. No idea if the speedometer even works, to be honest with you. It's a 4-speed with a granny gear. Bet you want to look at the bet you want to look under the hood. Yeah, it's special. It's very special. Okay, we'll set the old camera there. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Pop this Ford hood. Hang on, almost got it. Got a little safety latch. There we go. So, straight 6. I'm pretty sure it was on the column and someone moved it to the floor. It looked like I thought I saw some linkage in there. Maybe not. Maybe it wasn't this vehicle. Maybe it was always on the floor. And maybe this was always on the floor. It's your gearbox. Not that it matters a whole boatload, right? But very solid up here. It runs pretty good. You know, it's not fantastic. I don't know if I'd take it on a road trip or anything. But once the engine warms up, it idles probably around 1300. I might knock down the idle a little bit with this set screw. And it seems to me when it does warm up, idle's a little too high. It does have electronic spark box from newer vehicles. So I'm sure there's no points under there if I'm not mistaken. Not a bad mod. Have no idea if it's the original engine. Have no idea if it's a Maverick engine. Maybe it's a Top Gun engine. Get it, Maverick? But either way, the motor's fine. And if you wanted to make it into a daily, you probably could with very little work. Brakes seem okay. Yeah, I have no problem driving around the neighborhood, even up to the store if I need to. I'm just not going to rely on it on a road trip, you know? So, that all being said, again, very solid rockers. Let's take it for a quick trip back around over to the shop. Pretty sure all the lights work. We'll check that when we get back. I really wish I had some extra wheels for this, but I don't. But a nice set of rims would really kind of, I don't know, make it look better. That's considered a big back window. Whether they offered a small window, I'm not really sure. Again, the interior is not too shabby. This carpet's just tossed in, nothing special, but it makes for a nice look. Awesome wood thing on the door panel. Again, really solid right here. And nothing really in the glove box, already looked. 8-ball shifter and groovy headliner. Built for tough. Like I said, when I started up and drive it, a little cold-blooded. And if I let it warm up a little bit, it runs much better and idles better. There's our bed. Let's hop in this baby. This is where the key is. Okay. Oh yeah. That warms up for a second. Once it warms up, it runs a lot better. Ready to look out this dirty windshield and go for a ride? Yeah. What's that? It's raining here. Downtown Tucson. We're off in the industrial area, just north of the city. Oil pressure gauge works. I think that works too. Our tree, it's gonna fall. Woohoo! Yeah, the drum brakes really aren't bad. I mean, they're not gonna put you through the windshield, but they work. Let's see, let's go outside. Check the lights real quick. Dash is kind of cut. Looks like they put a radio in years ago. Let's see here. Turn lights on. Yeah, see, it idles high. It's warmed up now. Headlights seem to work. Very straight body, very clean body. Taillights work, which I'm pretty sure the brake lights work as well, because like I said, this guy was driving around the city. It was a daily driver off and on for the last few months. So 66 F100 Stepside short bed. The truck You really can't live without now, can you? Ooh, listen to that cool muffler. Again, thanks for watching, and look forward showing you our next vehicle. You're gonna like it. I know we always enjoy bringing them out to you guys. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that could be the original wood, folks, from 1966. Thanks again for checking out our vehicles. I'm going to put this one up inside and call it a day. Say bye.